Hi.
This is our office. Чуть попозже зайдем, когда у нас конференция много будет. Сейчас просто в целом сейчас наш отпуск. Получается, во главе со мной Кристина, моя коллега.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Сегодня помогает
Здравствуйте.
со съемкой. Есть у нас отдел продаж в России. Никита, Ваня. Это Руда, дочка нашего клиента из Замбии.
Красивая такая.
Ну вот, собственно, все. Наш вот такой небольшой коллектив. Так что можете пока. Our partnership. So, what is your vision? What is your strategy that you have in your head?
For AgroSource Investments Limited. AgroSource Investments Limited is a Zambian company. We formed it in transfer. Went in the banks. I went for National Savings and Credit Bank, which is basically 100% owned by the government. I was in the IT department there.
Okay.
It deals with mortgages and it's also into building family building projects. It's called the Zambia National Building Society, ZNBS. It's a lot of equipment. We have for us to get to the exploration going, we need to do some code reading, for example.